sitting in the back of a cop car, banging my head on a window. I can see me slamming that last car shot glass, losing everything in my billfold. Ooh, that's what I do when I'm drinking about you. So I don't wanna go downtown.
Here comes that goddamn crazy fool. Let's see what's he got today. What the hell?
Oh, you here by your damn self?
Yeah?
I thought it was. I just come here to aggravate the fuck out of that guy. Ain't never coming back.
Don't knock that goddamn shelf off now.
And I got 200 buns and I ain't giving a damn. The hell, I ain't never coming back. Bye! I would turn this damn ice cream damn box.
Better not. You ain't paying for them damn honey buns?
I ain't gonna pay.
I'm gonna call the law.
Get the damn piss out of them.
Who you gonna, what? Say what?
I'll beat the damn piss out of them.
Son of a bitch got me for 2 honey buns. Oh well, fuck it. Let him have it.
I'm moody shit. I'm a straight up chop and spool the shit. I'm a fuck a bit. Oh. Wah! 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 I'm about to wobble, wobble, bitch. I wobble, wobble. Make your bitch go do the bobble, bobble. She gon' swallow bottles. I don't give a fuck. I'm about to. Yo, bro.
Do not call me handsome if you're not gonna give me some that badonkadonk.
Oh my gosh. What on earth? What did you...
How do I reverse it?
I feel like I'm about to throw up.
I guess she has to answer.
Oh my gosh.
What's up, player? It's Gangsta Rowdy at the flea market. I'm gonna try some people want to buy some of my stuff, you know what I'm saying? I sag hard because I'm gangsta like that. Yo, it's Gangsta Rowdy. Found these 2 suckers in here. I'm gonna try to sell them some stuff. What's up, guys? You guys see anything you like? Sasuke Uchiha, Naruto Uzumaki. I even got the Blue Eyes White Dragon.
Kinda like Naruto. It's Naruto. That's like, this is all garbage, man.
What about Sasuke Uchiha?
That's even worse than the Naruto. These
So
are
you
garbage.
You want none of my stuff?
None of it.
You know what? You can keep this fucking store.
Alright, yeah, I'm totally gonna regret this because I know people are gonna duet this and I don't want them to, but I hate belly buttons. They freak me out. I can't even touch my own. If somebody touches my belly button, I will fold up like a lawn chair. If I see other people touch their belly buttons, freaks me out. Can't stand it. I do.
Okay, so all my boss does is sit on his ass inside all day long. Doesn't do shit around here, so I'm gonna go rip out his fucking keyboard. To do anymore. What I tell you? Look at him.
Why? It's not payday. What are you doing? Excuse. Hey, bring your fucking ass back. Oh,
You bring your ass out here. How's that sound?
Oh.
I want you to witness me do this. That's all you do is sit on your ass all day long.
You better start
all
running.
day long.
Come here, motherfucker. I'll show you how to goddamn break something.
Just got this top from this method bitch. She from Tennessee.
What are you doing,
What's
right?
up, player? Making my new hit single music video. Took her to the Tennessee, you know what I'm saying? You want to see some of it?
Sure.
Shit, okay, I'll show you some snippets. Rowdy. Just got this top from this method bitch. She from Tennessee. Bought some cop and got EBT. Boy, don't play with me. This bitch got spans, you know how it go. Bought some Twisted Tea. Took her to the creek, you know how it be, acting like a freak. Like I was saying, Justin.
What are you doing, Rowdy?
Oh, you know, just signing the contract with my boy Bieber here.
Oh.
Took her to Tennessee. EBT and food stamps for life. $600 in cash. I think we got a deal. Anyways, leave us be, sexy. I'll be in there in a minute to give you some of that good stuff.
What the fuck are you doing? What the? Are you fucking?
Okay, ready?
Yeah. I don't trust this.
Okay, wait. Less of a band. Charge straight.
Okay, yeah, right over the fucking battery. Okay. Yeah, there we go, bud. Oh, no. I think we're losing torque through the extensions. Go get your pneumatic one. We need a bigger impact. I'm trying to understand how the heck you guys. Like, what do you get your? Oh, you've gotta be kidding me. All right. I can see a freaking. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, what's gonna snap first?
So I'm driving down this curvy ass mountain road, right? And I pass this store, so I'm like, whoa, let me back it up in there and get me something to eat. I stop and get something to eat, and I'm walking out. And this lady runs up to me, and she was like, Jess! And I'm like, hey! And she's like, oh my God, I love you! And I was like, oh my God, I love you too! And she was like, man, my kids love you! They're right up the road! And I was like, go get the kids. I'm gonna sit here and eat my sandwich, and then we can make a tickety-tock when you come back. Y'all, I ain't never been so excited to make a tickety-tock in my life. She brought the whole fam bam.